smaller. So this is actually too thick for this line. This line should actually taper out and get smaller until it's basically invisible.
That's tough enough. I had enough. That's enough. Thank you.
If I come in and I'm kind of playing around with this.
Vanishing point. So it's not about this upper V, it's about the lower V.
It's about everything that could point to this vanishing point.
Wow. Set the road up.
Now I just did this very quickly, but I cleaned up the back of that line.
Wow, I'm gonna try that too. Tricky, you
So
get a piece of that action.
The white, so it's only thick here in the front, and I pulled it away in the back, so it tapers down. Basically, what you want to do is you want to use something small enough that you don't do what I did, which is just have one big flat line. I just had this too big.
So like this.
So I'll actually try to do this on my next slide. So I'm actually going to go down to something really small.
Like this line.
So that's too thick.
It's
and
too big.
It's actually going to hit the main point here.